Autostrada are delighted to offer this 2014 64 registered Seat Leon Midnight Black Edition. This car has covered just 44,000 miles from new. Key features on this car include touchscreen satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone preparation with media streaming, DAB radio with USB SD input, dual zone climate control, steering audio controls, cruise control, engine start-stop technology, 6-speed gearbox, parking sensors, LED daytime running lights and 17-inch dynamic alloy wheels. This car will be supplied with 12 months MOT and Autostrada's approved 125 used car health check with a report supplied.